Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring one of the most charming and versatile corners of modern home design, the window nook. It's that cozy, light-filled space by the window that seems to invite you to slow down, breathe, and just be. Window nooks are more than just architectural features. They're emotional spaces, pockets of calm that balance the speed of modern life. Whether you live in a city apartment, a suburban home, or a countryside retreat, creating the right window nook can completely change the feel of your space. So, in this video, we will explore what makes a window nook truly modern, how to make it functional and aesthetic, and why this small idea carries a big emotional impact. Let's start with the why. Why are humans so drawn to window nooks? It is simple. They connect two worlds, inside and outside. Sitting by a window allows you to feel grounded in your space, yet still part of the wider world beyond the glass. Modern life can feel overstimulating. Constant movement, screens, noise. A window nook counters that. It becomes a threshold of stillness, where you can read, sip tea, daydream, or simply watch the rain. There is something almost meditative about it. The way natural light pours in, changes throughout the day, and makes time feel slower. Traditional window seats were about coziness, the cushions, rustic trims, and soft fabrics. But in modern design, window nooks have evolved. They're simpler, sleeker, and more intentional. You might see clean lines, floating wooden benches, and minimal decor. The goal isn't just to look good. It is to create harmony between architecture, light, and human experience. A modern window nook doesn't clutter or compete. It complements. It often doubles as a reading space, a casual lounge, or even hidden storage, but always with an effortless sense of calm. Think of it as functional minimalism. Form meets mindfulness. Light is everything when it comes to a window nook. The way sunlight hits a space determines not just its appearance, but its emotional tone. Morning light gives a fresh, airy feel, perfect for quiet reflection or journaling. Afternoon lights adds warmth and softness, ideal for reading or relaxing. And during golden hour, a window nook becomes almost cinematic, a moment suspended between day and night. Modern design embraces this natural rhythm. Large unframed glass panels or narrow black steel frames create that seamless blend between indoors and outdoors. The wood or fabric you choose around it should complement that play of light. Nothing artificial, nothing forced. Let's talk materials. In modern homes, the magic lies in simplicity and texture. Wood is the most common choice: oak, walnut, or even reclaimed timber, because it's adds warmth against the sleekness of modern architecture. Pair it with neutral fabrics like linen, cotton, or wool for comfort, and you instantly soften the space. Stone or concrete beneath the seat can ground the nook, while matte metal accents, maybe in black or brass, add a touch of modern sophistication. The goal is balance. You want the nook to feel both crafted and effortless. Each material should whisper, not shout. Let's get a little philosophical here, because great design always connects to emotion. A window nook, in many ways, a physical manifestation of pose. It's where life slows down. It reminds you that you don't need grand gestures or expensive furniture to feel peace. Sometimes it is just a soft cushion, a warm wooden ledge, and a beam of morning light. In our fast moving world, having that kind of still point inside your home can do wonders for your mind. So, whether you're designing a new home or reimagining your current space, think about where light meets comfort. Thanks for watching. If you love conversations about modern living, minimalist comfort, and the quiet art of design, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me again. So, until next time, happy decorating.